Hello and welcome back. Here we are going to do a summary of tranche A and B loans payment. This lower part of our summary is going to show how tranche A and tranche B of interest rate and principal is going to appear in our income statement and balance sheet. So the total interest rate for the first period is going to be equal to the interest rate of tranche A plus the interest rate of tranche B. We just pull that through. Same is going to be for the principal payment. This is going to be equal to principal payment of tranche A plus principal payment of tranche B. We just pull that through. Now let us determine the interest expenses that will be made in tranche A during the first year. This is going to be equal to the sum of interest expenses for the first year. We close our bracket. The second year interest expense is going to be the same, the sum of interest expenses for tranche A. The same will apply for the third year. Total of interest expenses for the fourth year. Close bracket. Total of interest expenses for the fifth year. Close the bracket. Total of interest expenses for the sixth year. Close the bracket. Total of interest expenses for the seventh year. Close bracket. Total of interest expenses for the eighth year. Close bracket. Next is the principal payment of tranche A, which is equal to total of principal payment for the first year, total of principal payment for the second year, total of principal payment for the third year, total of principal payment for the fourth year, close the bracket, total of principal payment for the fifth year, total of principal payment for the sixth year, total of principal payment for the seventh year, Now let us do the same for tranche B loan. The first year interest expense is going to be equal to the sum of the first 4 quarterly interest expenses. Close the bracket. So the same is applied in tranche B as was applied in tranche A. So now we have a summary of our interest rate expenses and principal payment that we're going to be making from the first year right up to the 8th year, resulting from our tranche A and tranche B loans. In the next session, we are going to show you how to fit this in a 3-statement financial model, and we're also going to check the flexibility of our 3-statement financial model.